starting outside the car and hopefully your car has been sitting for a while with all the doors closed, you will want to quickly get in the car and turn off all the lights. This will prevent your bulb from getting too hot and burning your hand. Using a flathead or your hand, you will want to pull down the light on the side with the indent. Then simply pull out the wire. If you don't know which side has the indent, that's fine. You will just need to get leverage on the lower lip of the light and tug down on either side, and one of the sides should give more than the other. Now to remove the black cover, get your flathead and wedge it in the indent and lift it over the notch. Once you do so, you will need to hold it up with your other hand and then do the same on the other side. Remove the cover exposing the bulb, then simply pull it out and put your new one in. But before you put the black cover on, go test the bulb to see if you have the bulb in correctly. Turn on the light and plug in the wire. If it does not light up, flip your bulb to the correct polarization. Now put the cover back on by lining up the front first, then it should just snap back into place. Put the housing wire side up first and opposite to the notch side. Then push up the other side and you are done.